All right, here I have a 23 Prius. It applies to 24 and 25. They all have the 2.0 liter engine, hybrid, of course. And I'm gonna show how to do the battery. It's in the trunk. You just gotta remove this cover. It's on the right side of the trunk, and there's your battery. All right. When you put it back in, it's literally all just clips, and it just all snaps into place. On the negative terminal, you got a 10 millimeter bolt, and then the hold down, it's held down by one 12 millimeter bolt, which is down there. And then the positive terminal has a cover on it that just snaps on and snaps off. And then there's the 10 millimeter bolt to remove it. All right. And then if you look here, it says the battery is a 345LN1. And if you look at the owner's manual, it'll even say use a battery that the case size is same as the previous one, LN1. All right. And then when you put it on, make sure to put the exhaust hose back into it, because the battery does make vapors and you don't want it to stick inside the car. So that's why they provide an exhaust hose. And then on the other side of the battery, you have to plug it up. So one side is plugged up, and then the other one, it has the exhaust hose that goes to the outside. But just all I'm saying is don't forget to put it back on. Now, if you buy an aftermarket battery, this is basically what it looks like. That red tab right there on the cover, it has a little tab that you break off, and then you put into the hole right there on the battery, and that's on the positive side. And then on the negative side, on this car specifically, the Toyota, the exhaust hose goes on the left side, or where the negative terminal is. Now, if you want to just buy a battery from Toyota, just tell them you want an LN1 battery. But other than that, other names for it are the 140R or H4 battery. This is an LN1 AGM battery. This is from AC Delco. This is an example of one that you can use. There's another example from AutoZone, and this is the same battery. It's just call it H4. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.